Hello guys, my name is Devish and welcome to my channel. This is the 24th video on the series Python for beginners, and in this tutorial we will learn how to work with for loop in Python. So here I am at PyCharm. I have created one file here called as for.py, and in this file I am going to write my program for learning for loop. Let's write some comments for this file. This file contains code for loop. Okay, so let us take a list, say x is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5, and I want to perform some operation on each item of this list. So to do this I would need an iterator which would iterate over each items of this list. So I can do that using for loop in Python. Let me change the mode for better appearance. Okay, I want to print each item of this list on my terminal. So how do I do that using for loop? Let's write it down. For, I will give some variable name. I will take any random variable, say var1 in x, which is the name of my list, and I'm going to print it out. Print var1, and let me run this file now. So it has just print all the values which are present in this list. Let's take a look at the structure of this code. So what exactly is happening in this line of code is variable 1 is assigned the values which are present inside the list x using membership operator in. So var1, on the first iteration, var1 is assigned the value 1, and in the second iteration it is assigned the value 2, and subsequently it is assigned the value 3, 4 and 5. So when we run this file, we can see that in the first iteration the value is 1, in the second iteration the value is 2, in the third iteration the value is 3, and so on. So if you are wondering what exactly is an iteration, so literally speaking, iteration is doing something again and again, and in our case we are running the loop on this list again and again, which is why it is called as an iteration. So variable 1 will iterate over each value of this list and capture what exactly the item contains. So that's all on the syntax of for loop, and we will continue our discussion on the for loop in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.